Is it just to decide who lives and who does not? Is it right to compare an animal to an object? According to the US Department of Agriculture, roughly 800,000 guinea pigs, dogs, cats, and other animals are used for animal testing. However, I believe animal testing should be illegal because animals can feel pain like humans do. Testing can deprive them from their freedom and it usually ends in death. So, today I'm going to speak why animal testing should be illegal and why animal testing is an inhumane activity. So the first reason animal testing should be illegal is because animals under the influence of experiments feel extreme pain. According to the article, How Much is Too Much, says how much pain is too much pain, yet the benefit must outweigh the cost to animals' welfare for those sacrifices to be justified. So, how do we know how much pain is too much pain? There is no way knowing because animals cannot talk, they cannot communicate. So, compare ourselves to those animals is unjustified and inhumane because they are different from people. There are different organisms and they can feel pain differently. So, the second reason animal testing should be illegal is because animals that are being tested, they are being caged and can feel loneliness and fear. According to the article, animal testing, apart from the pain that they feel extreme loneliness. And the stress can cause some neural behaviors. Some examples of these neural behaviors are rolling around, rocking back and forth. Sometimes they pull their own fur and they bite themselves. So this is really inhumane because these animals are being caged and they are deprived from their freedom and they cannot be where they wanted to be. Instead, they are caged. So the third reason animal testing should be illegal is because after they been suffering a lot, they are being euthanized. This is really bad because they feel a lot of pain and loneliness, and at the end they die. According to our experiment, after they been used in experiment and being killed, there are some procedures where they use gas and these animals are forced to inhale. There are some other examples where their skull are being drilled, and other examples where their spinal cord are being crushed. And there are times that they are being tied to object for hours. So this is really inhumane because they are suffer a lot. So in conclusion, these animal testings are immoral because after they feel pain and fear, they are thrown away. So animals have the freedom to be free and they have the freedom to be where they want it to be. And the secret for freedom is happiness.